So what is up again, guys? Welcome for another video. So for today in this video, we are just going to add the TCP token address to your wallet. So you are already downloaded loaded the Metamask browser extension on your Chrome or Firefox, and you already switched to Polygon Matic mainnet network. So right now, what we are just going to do is to add the TCP token address to your wallet. So here on the MetaMask item, you're just going to first click that, and then this MetaMask dialog box will be pop up. So what are we going to do is to add here. Don't see your token, you just click the import token. I hope that you can see it. I'm just going to import token, click the import token. So token contract address. So what you're going to do to put right here is we just have to go to the the website of the CoinGecko and just going to copy this contract address and then paste it on the uh, paste it right here. Okay, so for the token contract address, you are just going to paste it, well, paste what we have copied on the CoinGecko, and then the token symbol we're just going to put TCP because it is a TCP token, so token decimal, and that's it. That's it. Okay, so when we are back in the TCP token address, we're just going to paste it, token symbol, TCP, and just click the add custom token, and that is literally is it. So import tokens, and voila, you already have your account and the TCP token on your MetaMask wallet. Okay, so that's it for this video. So check out for my another video wherein I have a lot of tutorial, and I hope that you have learned something in this video. So thank you for watching.